Hey guys, D&K here. We got the Heretic Knives Hyperion Flashlight today. It's available in the nice DLC with the OD green barrel. And then we also have this nice flame titanium with a black barrel. We have a couple other options on our website. These guys are really nice. Has a Cree XPL emitter on the front there, 3 of them. It is a 18350 3.7 volt 1200 milliamp hour rechargeable battery with 4 brightness settings pre-programmed, but it does have a Dr. Jones driver which allows you to program it, so it's very customizable. Let's see, we got our moonlight there. It does have a nice moonlight for your lowest settings, so if you're just trying to look inside a bag real quick. But yeah, it has 4 different settings. It's the brightest there, really nice. Yeah, these guys, like I say, are completely customizable, so you can change the brightness and all of the features, that kind of thing. Check out our website for more of our specs and our available inventory, because these guys will go fast. We only have 4 in stock. So yeah, hit dnknives.com and check them out. Thanks.